Alright. Y'all see this little guy here? This little guy here, okay? From here. Woo! Gade mango kay voisin nan. Woo! Voisin m'a been visito. Don't worry. And I got the real Haitian Mango FRANCISE. You see that? My mango's almost ready. This is another Mango FRANCISE. Blow to the blow. N'importe moun qui parle passer devant la calavine man mango yo, wa prend balle. Son pas qu'on danser comme pas. You see that? Do you see that? You see they almost ready. You see that? These are the baby ones. You see that? Yeah. Nekra. Ah ouais moun sa yo. Ngien nou nan caméra n'a bin voler mango, OK. N'a bin marchand de balle, pas gen voler mango. N'a bin marchand de balle, mais même m'a vendre nou balle. Voisin, il pas ka ban balle, il pas kon danser comme pas qui ben li la bachata. Blow, blow. If you want mango, let me know. They almost ready. But you see with this guy, remember this guy right here. You're going to see how big he get. I'm going to upload a new video, maybe a couple of months. Let's finish. Blow, blow.